Okay, let's take a start. Do you live in city or village?
I live in the city. I live in the city.
All right, Manlia, you should speak more. Listen, do you live in the city or countryside? I live in city, and it's one of the most popular cities in my country. It's called Lahore. I've been living here since my childhood. In fact, my father migrated from a village, but since my childhood, I've been living here. So to answer your question, I live in Lahore. Pyara sa answer. Huh? Good. Let's go on. Is it good for young people to grow up in the city?
Yeah, it is good for the young people to grow in a city because there is many education.
There are many.
There are many education institute than any village or many food restaurants. So this is good.
Okay,
to
all
grow
right.
up in.
So, I mean, you need to make proper sentences. Listen, is it good for young people to grow up in the city? I think it's the best for young people for their upbringing. First of all, educational facilities. Secondly, thirdly, like this. Okay, is your city a good place for young people to grow up?
Yeah, my city is a good place for young people
To grow up. See, you're repeating the same question in the same way without any changes. So it's not yes no questions. You need to give details also. What's your favorite place in your city?
Uh,
This is my own question, huh? What's your favorite place in your city? My favorite place in my city is a restaurant. This restaurant is called Eat and Sleep.
ECM.
And they have very nice arrangement there. They've got the manjis. You can eat and sleep there. So I like this restaurant. Something like that. Answer every question, okay? Feeling nervous?
no,
Confused? No. Just be confident. All right. What is your favorite food?
my favorite food is biryani.
Yeah, nahi rukega, yeah. Biryani, my favorite food. And one more thing, when they talk about food, you can use the word traditional food. My favorite food is biryani, which is traditional food. It's basically a rice dish, and it's a very spicy one, so I like this very much. So to answer your question, my favorite food is biryani. You should elaborate what is biryani. Right? If you say, well, what do you like to eat? I like to eat samosas and pakoras, which are traditional snacks in my country. If you say pakoras, samosas, gol gappas, dahi bhallas, wherever you add S, English ban jayegi. Yeah, rotis and chais and all that. So you need to talk about food stuff. If there is the specific name of the dish, you should say traditional food. It's a traditional rice dish. Okay? And answer the question at least in 4, 5, 6 sentences. Right?
Yes.
Thank you.